So what's the one thing that's really holding your creative projects back? In today's explainer, we're going to take a deep dive into a tool that's built to just shatter those limits, whether you're an artisan, a small business owner, or a passionate hobbyist. Let's talk about making your most ambitious ideas a reality.
You ever have that feeling? You've got this brilliant, perfect design in your head, but you feel completely held back by the tools you've got on your workbench? Maybe your hand tools just can't give you that razor-sharp precision you need, or maybe the machine you're using now just isn't up to the task. It's frustrating, right?
Yeah, it's a pain point a lot of us know all too well. We can call it the creator's frustration. It's that gap, that challenge of taking this perfect vision you have and turning it into a real, physical thing without having to make any compromises along the way.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. The frustration of uneven cuts, blurred engravings, and the sheer time investment can be truly disheartening. It's that exact moment when it feels like your tools are actively fighting against you instead of working with you.
But what if we could just flip that whole script? I mean, just imagine your ideas leaping from your screen into reality with absolutely breathtaking accuracy. Picture wood, leather, or acrylic becoming these perfect canvases for your most detailed designs, and it all happens with professional speed.
Okay, so this is where a new kind of creative partner comes into the picture, the VEVOR CO2 Laser Engraver. And I want you to think of it less like a piece of equipment and more like the direct solution to all those frustrations we were just talking about.
And that's a really important idea right there. The thinking is, this isn't just a machine. It's your new creative partner. It totally reframes the tool as something that collaborates with you, helping you just dissolve those barriers between your imagination and the amazing thing you're trying to make. So what's under the hood? What makes this thing tick? Let's break down the core features that really give this machine its game-changing creative edge.
First up, let's talk about dual power. At the heart of this machine is a super robust CO2 laser tube, and you can get it in 50 or 60 watts. Now, what that actually means for you is you get this incredible versatility. You've got the finesse for super delicate patterns on leather, but you also have the raw power for clean, deep cuts into thick acrylic. It's all about having the right tool for the job. Next, the workspace. We're looking at a 40 by 60 centimeter engraving area. I mean, that is a huge creative canvas to play with. It totally frees you from the limits of smaller machines, opening up the door to bigger projects like signs or intricate art pieces. You can even batch multiple items at once, which is a massive productivity booster.
But wait, is all that power hard to control? No, not at all. And that's where the intuitive digital control panel comes in. It's this really user-friendly interface that lets you easily fine-tune the laser power and the speed. And that is absolutely crucial for getting those consistent, repeatable, perfect results every single time.
And what can you actually create with? Well, this machine is a true material master. It's engineered for amazing performance on things like wood, leather, acrylic, and honestly, a whole lot more. That kind of versatility unlocks a massive range of projects, from one-off custom gifts to entire product lines.
Okay, so we've gone through the features. Now let's just zoom out for a second and look at the bigger picture. What does a tool like this really mean for your creative future?
And when you put it side by side, the difference is wow. I mean, before you might be struggling with uneven cuts, a really slow manual process, and a pretty limited scope of what you can even make. But after, you're looking at professional, clean results, a huge leap in your efficiency, and the power to seriously expand what you can create and offer.
And this really gets to the heart of it. This isn't just about buying a new tool, it's, well, like this quote says, an investment in your creativity, efficiency, and future success. It's a strategic move, you know? It's about empowering your passion and elevating your work to a whole new level.
And that all leads us to the final and honestly the most exciting question of all. A tool like this is all about dissolving your limitations, right? So, with your potential totally unlocked, what are you going to create first?